Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door strike mounting plate in a Hotpoint dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door strike mounting plate. This door strike mounting plate could be located on the left or on the right side of the door opening, depending on which way the door opens. In our case, it's on the left. This mounting plate holds the door strike in place. If the dryer's door won't stay closed, check the door strike mounting plate and replace it if needed. To get it apart, we need to open the door. Let's remove the door strike mounting plate together with the door strike. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver. Remove a couple of Phillips screws and take this off. Next, I'm going to use the pair of pliers and I'm going to squeeze this together and remove the strike out of the plate. This is the old door strike mounting plate next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install this mounting plate in. I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna secure it with this one screw at the top. Just a couple of turns, and then I'm gonna use a Phillips screwdriver. Gonna tighten it, and then the second one. We're going to insert the door strike into the cutout and press it in until it locks. And now we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.